Hi, this is Urbina.
And this is Jeff, and welcome to our wedding. Please leave a message after the beep.
Jeff and Mom Rubina, best wishes and congratulations from PB Bet Bara. Thank you.
Good day. Congratulations and best wishes to Sir Jeff and Ma'am Robina from Ma'am Emma, Matutina Dakoyan and family. Congratulations again. Hi Jeff and hi Robina. Wish ko since ako ikakasimula pa lang din namang ikasal ay yung palagi lang mag-iintindihan kayo sa kada isa and dapat yung away ninyo is hindi nyo pinapatagal and dapat hindi nyo pinapataas yung pride kasi syempre hindi nyo naman kalaban yung bawat isa, ang kalaban nyo is yung problema. So dapat palagi nyo yung hahanapan ng solusyon bago pa lumaki. So yun lang. Thank you.
Hello. Congratulations to both of you. Congratulations to you, Jeff and Rubina. Finally, you already found your Anas, a lifetime partner. Enjoy your wedding day and magsama kayong kailan nyo gusto. Ay, hindi ka naman.
Congratulations, Ma'am Robina. Amo nga daw, isinayos.
Tapos,
Hi, Ma'am Bina and Habi. I'd like to greet you. Congratulations and best wishes on your wedding day. I hope you will be producing more offsprings year ahead. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, hello Jeffrey. Hi Robina. Congratulations and I hope magkaroon na agad kayo ng baby and happy marriage. Love you B. Love you Jeffrey and Robina. Stay strong together. Bye.
Hi, finally, congratulations. Best wishes for both of you. Congratulations. Hello, Binay and B. Congratulations and best wishes to both of you. So, dapat termis na ng love, ano lang bang usad. Congratulations.
Jeff, congratulations. Sana ay magpakarami kayo. I'm happy for you. Kasi nagkatuluyan kayong dalawa. Nakakakilig ang inyong love story. Congratulations! Best wishes!
Congratulations from Auntie Vitas.
Hello, Bean and Jeff. Congratulations and best wishes. Hala, nadagus din. Allah, stay in love. Put God as the center of your marriage. Ayan. So again, congratulations and best wishes. God bless.
Congratulations to both of you. May the Lord God bless you as you step your new journey in life as newlywed. Congratulations and God bless to both of you.
Mata, nagkaaguminigid ko. Salamat po sa ngamin. At least, di ko po inaasahan na makaunod igin ko ta. Isi ko po, ang kuya, kabang. Pero po, okay lang. Salamat, Binay, ta. Naano mo ding igin ko. Salamat sa ngamin. Amo na to, bebe? Thank you lang. Okay lang, bebe, ta.
Congratulations. Wish ko ninyong lifetime commitment to each other. Sana papagdanayon na kanyang pagkaminuotan. Sagkod na kita na bubuhay sa inikinaban. Again, love each other always. Congratulations, Jeff and Binay. Congratulations, B and Rubina. Hope for happy wedding. Congrats again. Okay, bye-bye.
Hello! Congratulations, BJev and Rubina. Best wishes and hope for the success of your married life. And congratulations again!
Congratulations to both of you.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Rubina. Ayun no, sa kwesa palan.
Jeep, Binay, mag-asawa na kayo sa araw na ito. Sana magtagal ang pagsasama ninyo hanggang umabot na kayo ay magpapamilya. Sana pag may pamilya na kayo, kagaya nyo na makatapos sa pag-aaral. Maganda ang pagsasama ninyo sa isa't isa. Sana palagi kayong masaya. Paggaling nyo sa eskwelahan, sana pagkita nyo sa bahay, maganda ang pagkikita nyo, maganda ang pagsasama nyo mula umaga hanggang gabi o hanggang paman. Salamat. Iyon lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Good luck. Happy wedding. Congratulations. Enjoy the moment and I'm always in every step of the way. Good luck. God bless. Yun lang.
Wishes. Congratulations and best wishes.
Sir Jeff and Ma'am Binay, congratulations on your wedding. Wishing you a life filled with love, laughter, and endless joy. May your journey together be full of beautiful moments and cherished memories. Hoping na magkaroon kayo ng maraming babies. Congratulations. Love, love, love.
Hello, Sir Jeff. Congratulations to you and to your wife. Ayun, enjoy lang po sa bagong buhay may asawa. Congratulations po and best wishes.
Wish sa inyo. God bless and have a happy family soon. Thank you. Ay, meron pa pala.
Congratulations, Ninong Jeff. Congratulations, Ninong
Congratulations, Sir Jeff.
Congratulations, Sir Jeff. Merry Christmas. Happy wedding. Bye.
Robina, wish you a newlywed and always remember that and God will do the rest for your lives. Jeffrey and Ma'am Robina, best wishes. Thank you for inviting us.
Hello, Jeffrey and Robina. Congratulations.
Rubina, congratulations and best wishes. More babies to come.
Pakarayon nga nun ako.
Congratulations sa pagkasal nyo.
Inay Ed. Jeff, congratulations on your wedding, Char. Amorad to. Bye.
Ready ka na bang maging asawa ng babae na walang pasensya?
Thank you and see you every day. Ano pa ba? Basta, yun na. Huwag ka sana maubusan ng pasensya. Ano pa ba? Thank you for this day. Thank you for giving me the wedding of every girl's dream of. I appreciate all the efforts.